Lampang gin robot how I can allow it in mandal negative lopen smile. Yak I'm a little bit my jong chokpot can see hang robot how I can jella harankat ke jinan langki parliamentary sarkar baru ki amalia. Da ka take jingjok ka jongka ka jingdon jigameli kan the hang robot how I can jella mentakala poi saka sangun. Jarangkat bakini borok sangut ki kan take de gimi man na congress ka sensyar po ka jella. Kata na lo kong bluebell kwe pat kilometer mat kan the ki long ka menteri ka tanak kampo yang ka jella ka kong Roshan Warjri ka menteri ka tanak social affairs ka Dibora Marang ka menteri ka tanak urban affairs ka kong Amprin Lingdo ban ka dikan ci di Sirah. Ka bluebell sangma ka badai ru ka kurim jong umasan sing sangma MLA ka NCP balaklat no kala job ya kan suki dak batam hadu araja sanspa sanpobun ha kan election siteng samoi nakadaw ka cingklat no jong kulfot armarang. Habakran bakani kanum ikmat batmai ka penpau baka jinglei yakun naka tiket kongres ka dei namar baka dei ka parti ka badan hakal yang sensar bat kumta kala bu lupai ka jingkaman balada job kan yo kambun ki kamperoi hakate kunsi ka barang sadian maha. Habai dei bat ka jingdan bun ki kamle no akunsi kalau ong baka jingbun ki ka dei namar bun ki dei peduna ka jingnang jing start bat dei nang taka daw ki sya penbe ban dei penyeso bat ki kunhun ka klau. Habai dei baka jingbam sunga sungai kunsi jongka kalau ong baka salet ya kendo ya ka home minister banek kren halot lat kinti ban pun kunno ikiti kampentrim.
Bluebell Sama having been elected a member of the Legislative Assembly do swear in the name of God that I will bear the truth, faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. I want to fulfill my people's desire. What they want, I'll try my best to fulfill their wish or demand. I feel what to say happy as a woman, as a mother, because INC is a ruling government. That's why. And earlier also, my husband also INC. He won in INC party. In 1993. Then I feel in my heart, no, I feel I'm in Congress, but I'm with my husband during his NCP. That's why now I feel better to join in Congress, because I can develop with my seniors' help. We'll see with our Home Minister, Roshan Warjri. I will discuss with her, because I'm new politician, and that's why I'll work with the Home Minister. We'll have to work hard. We'll have to work hard, and we'll have to bring them.